Are you curious about how Snowflake works under the hood? In this video, we'll dive into the Snowflake architecture and explore what made Snowflake a powerful and efficient data platform. Let's get started. Snowflake combines the best of both shared disk and shared nothing database architectures. What is meant by these terms, shared disk and shared nothing? Think of all the books in one giant library where anyone can come and read them. This is like how Snowflake stores all your data in one central place that everyone can access. This is a characteristic of a shared disk architecture. Now, in contrast to this, instead of one librarian handling all requests, imagine a team of librarians working together, fetching the books from their section simultaneously, making the process faster. In Snowflake, this is like how it uses multiple computers, also called compute nodes, that work together to process queries simultaneously. This approach makes the process faster. So the combination makes data easy to manage like a shared system while also providing the speed and scalability of independent systems. Breaking down the Snowflake architecture, it has three key layers: database storage, query processing, and cloud storage. Let's look at each of these. Database storage. When you load data into Snowflake, it automatically organizes and compresses it into an optimized format and stores it in the cloud. Snowflake takes care of everything how the data is stored, structured, and compressed. This centralized approach, where all the data is accessible through SQL queries, mirrors the shared disk architecture. You won't see the raw data directly, but you can access it using SQL. Query processing. Query execution happens in the processing layer using virtual warehouses. These virtual warehouses are like independent groups of compute resources that Snowflake allocates from the cloud. Each virtual warehouse works separately like the shared nothing architecture. This means the performance of one virtual warehouse doesn't affect the others. There is a separate video explaining what a virtual warehouse is, so check that out for more details. Circling back to the next layer of architecture, cloud services. The cloud services layer is a set of services that helps everything run smoothly in Snowflake. It connects all different parts, handling everything from login to process your queries. This layer also runs on compute resources that Snowflake gets from the cloud. The key services managed in this layer are authentication, infrastructure management, metadata management, query parsing and optimization, and access control. I'm not diving deep into these services in this video, but if you want to learn more, feel free to leave a comment below. So that's a wrap on the Snowflake architecture. Hope now you know how Snowflake can make data storage and processing efficient. See you next time.